Now we're heading into InvadR.
Just got off InvadR, which I believe is this park's only wooden coaster. Is that
Might be,
correct?
yeah, might be.
It's right behind us. It was built in 2018, and you can't really see any of it from here, unfortunately. The coolest thing about this coaster for me is that it kind of crisscrosses tracks with the log flume. It's pretty awesome. Like when you get to the top of the hill, you can see all of the log flume and everything. So it's really cool how the two rides would interact with each other.
Yeah, it has a really good layout.
It has a good layout. It's really rough. We were in the back, and it's really bumpy and jiggly.
It's mostly just the turns, I would say.
Okay.
The rest of it's pretty smooth.
It's not my favorite. It's just okay for me.
Yeah, and I liked it. I thought it was a pretty good wood coaster.
Well, there you go. So two differing opinions.